Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Idan. I'm a yoga teacher who loves to share this practice with the world. And in this video, I'm going to share with you how to relieve sciatica at home. How to relieve sciatic nerve pain at home with simple 3 yoga poses. Now, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss a thing. Now, let's jump right into it. So if you're dealing with sciatica pain, you already know what I'm talking about. It's a nerve that runs from the lower back through the hips, buttocks, and down through each of your legs. So a pain happens when somewhere along this path there is a pinch in the nerve, and then you can feel a pain radiate to one of your legs. Now, with this poses that I'm going to show with you in a moment, you're gonna stretch and release the nerve and release it, and this way the pain will go away. So the first pose and the most helpful one, especially if you are just beginning with yoga and releasing the nerve pain, is the figure 4 pose. How it's done? Easy. You start on your back, a great beginning. So you lay on your back, feet down on the ground, and what we want to do is to stretch the buttocks and the hips, and it's done by bringing one knee towards the chest and then cross the ankle on top of the opposite knee. You press the knee away, and maybe this is the maximum and you feel a good stretch in the outer hip of the bent knee, and you can stop in here and just hold it as much as you need for a minute, maybe less, maybe more. Now, if you feel that you can go even deeper to intensify the stretch, you lift the opposite leg up into 90 degrees, and then you send the arms forward and interlace the fingers behind the thigh, flex both feet and pull the leg towards you. This way you're gonna feel a better stretch from the buttocks all the way down to the side of the leg, the thighs. And if you want to even intensify the stretch even a little bit more, you can move the body slightly towards the bent knee. So if we bend the left knee, so this is the left knee, I move the legs slightly towards the left side, and then I feel a better stretch on the right side. So if you want to stretch the right, move towards the left. Easy to understand. You hold it, you stretch, and even if you have the pain on one side, make sure to even things up. So after you do a minute on one side, go and do a minute on the other side as well, just to avoid pain in the future. Super simple to do, super relaxing. So just do it, and let's move to the second pose. So the next pose is my favorite one when it comes to sciatic pain, because it stretches the entire nerve from the lower back to the hips, buttocks, and down to the heel. How it's done? You start seated. Now, if you struggle to sit with your back erect, grab a pillow or a blanket or a towel, fold it and sit on top of it, and it will help you to keep your back erect and not collapsing down. Now, you're gonna also need a strap, a belt, a towel, something long and strong that you can use. Now what you do in here, if the pain is on the left side, for example, we bend the right knee. So the pain on the left, we bend the right, and then we lower the knee to the side. We take the foot into the opposite thigh, and we sit up tall. From this position, you take the strap, you place it on the sole of the feet. If you can't reach, bend the leg, place it on the sole of your foot, and then straighten it once again. You breathe in, you sit up tall with the back erect, belly in, and then you reach with your hands towards your foot. Maybe this is the maximum. You flex your foot, and right in this position, you're gonna feel a good stretch along the straight leg, the left leg in this case. If you can go deeper, then you bend the elbows towards the ground and you feel a deeper stretch. If you want to go deeper, then you go deeper. You're gonna feel a good stretch in the legs and even on the lower back, on the bent knee side. And of course, if you have the flexibility, you can grab the foot and feel the stretch. Another option, if you don't have a strap, is just to simply place the hands down on the ground, and you can bend the elbows in here. You hold it for about a minute, and even if the pain is on one side, you repeat the pose on the other side as well to even things up. Let's move to the third pose. The third pose is gonna help you elongate the spine, because a sciatic nerve pain pinch happens when the vertebrae in the lower back compress each other and then pinch the nerve. Now, the next pose is gonna make room, make space for the nerve, and I'm talking about a seated twist. You sit down. Again, if you need, sit on a pillow, on a pillow or a blanket to elevate the hips off the mat. And then you take the leg, one leg. We do it on both sides. It doesn't really matter if the pain is on the right or on the left, because we are focusing on the lower back. We bring the knee towards us and then take the foot over behind the straight leg. You take it underneath the knee line, so not so close to the body, but not too far. Just right. Flex your foot, sit up tall, and then you twist. And the most important part is to keep the back long and erect. Don't fall down, don't compress the vertebrae. You want to create space. So you keep the belly in, and then you twist from the chest and up towards the side. Pull the leg towards you, even a good stretch for the outer hips and glute. So also good to relieve the pain. You hold it for about 30 seconds to a minute. You breathe, you smile to yourself. You enjoy the stretch, and then you move to the other side and do the same thing. Remember to sit up tall with your back erect and just enjoy, and don't push it too hard. If you come to a position and it's painful, stop here. Don't go beyond the pain. If the pain is starting here, just back off a little bit and hold it in here. And it's the same for all the poses. If you feel a pain somewhere, don't push too hard. Back off a little bit. Breathe, relax, and then if the pain fades away, you can go a bit deeper. So those are the poses. So there you have it, 3 poses to relieve sciatic nerve pain at home. Super simple yoga poses. And if you want to avoid pain entirely in the body, not only sciatic pain, but different kinds of pain, hip pain, knee pain, then it's super important to keep our body flexible. It keeps the body moving, flexible, and then we can avoid all kinds of pains in the back, the hips, the shoulders, the neck. Now, how you do that? To help you do just that, I created a flexibility cheat sheet that you can follow along, and you can find it in the link up in here or down below this video. It's a completely free cheat sheet. Go grab it and improve your flexibility every single day. So I hope you find this one helpful. If you did, hit the like and leave me comments below. Let me know how do you feel after trying these stretches. And of course, if you have a friend or someone that can benefit from these poses, click the share button and send it over to them. Oh yeah. I will see you on the next video, and until then, always remember to do yoga. It just makes life better. See you. Bye bye.